In this video, we'll talk about best business credit cards for new business. We have compiled a list of 10 best business credit cards for new business, and the following is a summary of each card that will be discussed in the video. You can find timestamps in the video description. So let's get started. So the first one on the list is Capital One Spark Cash Select. It is the best option for flat rate cashback rewards. Now let's check the rewards rates. Earn unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases for your business, regardless of location or category restrictions. Earn unlimited 5% cashback on hotel stays and car rentals booked via Capital One Travel. As an intro offer, you will get $500 bonus if you spend $4,500 in the first 3 months after opening your account. It has an $0 annual fee. The current APR ranges from 14.74% to 20.74%. So its pros are, it has no annual fee, it has high rate of rewards, it has no reward limits, and it has no foreign transaction fees. And what are its cons? It needs good or excellent credit. Now let's take a look at some of the vital information of the card. Rewards will be valid for the lifetime of the account, and if your card is lost or stolen, there is no fraud liability. Free employee credit cards that offer unlimited 1.5% cashback on all transactions. Next one on the list is American Express Blue Business Cash Card. It is the best overall option. Now let's check the rewards rates. Get 2% cashback on all eligible purchases up to $50,000 per year. After that, 1% cashback is added to your statement automatically. Now as an intro offer, spend $3,000 on your card in the first 3 months and you'll get $250 statement credit. It also has a $0 annual fee, and the introductory APR on purchases is 0% for the first year after the account is opened. After that, the rate can be anywhere from 15.49% to 23.49% depending on your credit worthiness and other factors that are taken into account when the account is opened. Now, what are its pros? So it has no annual fee, it has intro APR period, and it also has high rate of rewards. And its cons are, it has spending limits on bonus rewards, and it needs good or excellent credit. Now let's take a look at some of the vital information of the card. Just keep in mind that there are limitations to how much you can spend on top of your credit limit. It is adjusted based on your card usage, payment history, credit history, and other variables. Get car rental loss and damage insurance if your qualified rental is damaged or stolen, and you decline the collision damage waiver at the rental counter, and use your American Express Blue Business Cash Card to reserve and pay for the vehicle. The next one on the list is Inc. Business Cash Credit Card. It is the best option for cashback bonus categories and sign-up bonus. Now let's check the rewards rates. Each account anniversary year, you'll get 5% cashback on the first $25,000 you spend at office supply stores and on internet, cable and phone services. Each account anniversary year, earn 2% cashback on the first $25,000 spent in combined gas station and restaurant expenditures, and get 1% cashback on everything else you buy with your card, and there is no limit to how much you can earn. As an intro offer, get $750 bonus cashback after spending $7,500 in the first 3 months of your account opening. It has a $0 annual fee, and APR on purchases is 0% for the first year. Then it's between 15.49% and 21.49%. So its pros are, it has no annual fee, it has intro APR period, and it has bonus for new card holders. And what are its cons? It needs good or excellent credit, it has spending limits on bonus rewards, and rates are low outside of the bonus categories. Now let's take a look at some of the vital information of the card. With fraud protection, real-time fraud monitoring will be used to keep an eye on your card transactions for any indications of potential fraud. With zero liability, you won't have to pay for charges that someone else made on your card or account without your permission. Through Chase Ultimate Rewards, you can redeem points for cashback, gift cards, travel, and more. The next one on the list is Bank of America Business Advantage Travel Rewards World Master Credit Card. It is the best option for travel rewards. Now let's check the rewards rates. Earn 1.5 points for every $1 you spend, no matter where or how much you buy. This is true no matter how much you spend, and points don't expire as well. Get 3 points for every dollar you spend on travel purchases booked through the Bank of America Travel Center. As an intro offer, get 30,000 online bonus points if you make at least $3,000 in net purchases in the first 90 days after opening your account. These points can be redeemed for a $300 statement credit that you can use for travel or dining purchases, and it has an annual fee of $0. Purchases have an introductory APR of 0% for the first 9 billing cycles. After that, the ongoing APR is between 14.49% to 24.49%. So its pros are, it has no annual fee, it has intro APR period, it has bonus for new card holders, it has no reward caps, it has no foreign transaction fees. And its cons are, it needs excellent credit score. Now let's take a look at some of the vital information of the card. You can use your points for a statement credit to pay for travel and dining expenses, travel with no blackout dates through the Bank of America Travel Center, cashback or gift cards. If you have a business checking account with the Bank of America and are eligible for high preferred rewards for business tier, you can earn up to 75% more points on every purchase. That means you could get up to 2.62 points for every dollar you spent on anything and up to 5.25 points for every dollar you spent at Bank of America Travel Center. The next one on the list is Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card. It is the best option for travel rewards and big sign-up offer. Now let's check the rewards rates. Earn 3 points for every $1 spent on travel and certain business categories for the first $150,000 you spend each account anniversary year. Earn 1 point for every $1 you spend on anything else, and there is no limit to how many points you can earn. As an intro offer, earn 100k bonus points after spending $15,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. When redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards, that's $1,000 cashback or $1,250 toward travel. It has an annual fee of $95 and the ongoing APR ranges from 18.24% to 23.2%. So its pros are, it has bonus for new card holders, it has transfer partners as well as bonus categories. And its cons are, it has an annual fee, and it has no introductory APR offer. Now let's take a look at some of the vital information of the card. You can use your points to get cashback, gift cards, travel and more. As long as your account is open, your points will never expire. Purchase protection covers any damage or theft to your new purchases for 120 days up to $10,000 per claim and $50,000 per account. With zero liability, you won't have to pay for charges that someone else made on your card or account without your permission. The next one on the list is US Bank Business Triple Cash Rewards World Elite Mastercard. It is the best option for 0% introductory APR offer. Now let's check the rewards rates. Get 3% cashback at fuel stations, office supply stores, phone service providers and restaurants on purchases that qualify. And get 1% cashback on all other qualified net purchases. As an intro offer, get $500 back in cash. Just use the account's owner's card to spend $4,500 in the first 150 days after you open your account. It has an annual fee of $0 and intro APR is 0% on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 billing cycles. Ongoing APR is 16.24% to 25.24%, and APR for cash advances is 28.24%. Its pros are it has no annual fee, it has intro APR period on purchases and balance transfers, it has bonus cashback categories, and its cons are it needs good or excellent credit score and rates are low outside of bonus categories. Now let's take a look at some of the vital information of the card. There is no limit on how much cashback you can earn. With the US Bank Extend Pay plan, you can split purchases of $100 or more into equal monthly payments and pay for them over time. The next one on the list is the Hilton Honors American Express Business Card. It is the best option for hotel. Let's check the rewards rates. Earn Hilton Honors bonus points for every dollar spent on your card on purchases that qualify. That is 12x at hotels and resorts owned by Hilton, 6x at US gas stations, on US purchases for shipping, on wireless phone services bought directly from the US service providers, on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel, on car rentals booked directly with some car rental companies, and at US restaurants. Earn 3x on all other qualifying purchases. As an intro offer, spend $3,000 on the Hilton Honors Business Card in the first 3 months of having it, and you'll get 130,000 Hilton Honors bonus points. It has an annual fee of $95. And the current APR ranges from 17.99% to 26.99%. So its pros are it has high rates of rewards, it also has luxury perks, and its cons are it has an annual fee and it doesn't offer free anniversary night. Now let's take a look at some of the vital information of the card. With your Hilton Honors Business Card, you get complimentary Hilton Honors Gold status. After spending $15,000 on your card in a given year, Hilton Honors will give you a weekend night reward. After spending an additional $45,000 on your card in the same calendar year, Hilton Honors will give you another weekend night reward. The next one on the list is Ramp Card. Let's check the rewards rates. On all purchases, get an unlimited 1.5% cashback. It has no intro offer and no annual fee. And its pros are it has no foreign transaction fees and no credit check or personal guarantee is needed. And its cons are it's not available to sole proprietors or businesses that are not incorporated. Every month, the full balance must be paid. Now let's take a look at some of the vital information of the card. To qualify, you must have at least $75,000 in a business bank account in the United States. Only corporations, LLCs, and limited partnerships can get a Ramp Card. The next one on the list is Divvy Business Card. Let's check the rewards rate. Earn 2x to 5x on hotels, earn 2x to 7x on restaurants, earn 1.5x to 2x on recurring software subscriptions, and earn 1x to 1.5x on everything else. It also has no intro offer as well as no annual fee. Its pros are there is no fee to request employee cards, and increases in credit limits can be requested directly through the platform. Its cons are the rewards program is a little complicated, and how much you earn depends on what you buy and how often you pay your bill. To qualify for rewards, you must be a customer for at least 12 months. And the last one on the list is American Express Business Gold Card. It is the best option for flexible rewards. Let's check the rewards rates. Get 4x membership rewards points on the 2 categories where your company spends the most money each month. Earn 1x on all other purchases. You can get up to 250,000 points back per year if you use points to pay for all or part of an eligible flight booked through Amex Travel. As an intro offer, spend $10,000 on eligible items with your business gold card in the first 3 months and you'll get 70,000 membership rewards points. It has an annual fee of $295 and the current APR ranges from 16.49% to 24.49%. So its pros are You earn a good return on some excellent business related bonus categories. Cardholders have access to tools for managing business expenses. And its cons are, your bonus cashback is limited by a cap and it has a high annual fee. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment. And if you have found the content helpful, then I would request you to please like the video and subscribe to our channel.